me low. Fuck it up. Yes. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? What's up? It's quarantine day. I don't know. If you guys are stuck in the house just like me and you want to get your nails done, and obviously you can't go anywhere to go get your nails done, all you gotta do, go to the pharmacy, pick up one of these sets, nail sets that you can get for like $11.99 and learn how to do your nails. So these are the gel ones. I decided to just do the gel on my natural nails because I wanted my nails to look natural but cute at the same time. So that's what I did. I only put on nails on some of my fingers that were too short because I was just trying to match everything. So right now I just finished shaping up my natural nails and now I'm going to start prepping them. So what I'm doing is just cleaning underneath my nails so we don't have any dirt, because that's not cute. Now I'm gonna take my 70% alcohol and go ahead and start cleaning my nails. I actually put the alcohol on my whole fingers because I wanted to dry my nails out because I didn't have acetone and I was like, I gotta try alcohol then. So that's what I did. And it's also cleaning your nails, so this is better. Then I'm gonna go ahead, after I do my left hand, I'm gonna go ahead and push back my cuticles just to further prepare them for the gel. And honestly, this was so therapeutic. It took me like about 2 hours, but that was because I was going slow and I was just in my own zone. But if you were really to rush this, it would probably take you like 30 minutes to do. And the reason why I'm pushing back my cuticle is that when I put the gel on my nails, it looks more seamless and neater. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take a Q-tip, put some alcohol on it, and further clean my nails again. Boom. Now I'm gonna go ahead and file down my natural nails just to take away the shine and make my nails a little bit more rough so that the gel can like stay onto my natural nails more. So it's like a grip for it. And you don't want to file down your nails too much. You just want to shine the shiny part off. That's it. And then this is what your nails should look like so far. Now I'm gonna take my gel glue that came into the pack. I'm gonna show you guys what pack I got. On the side of the screen, I got my nails, my dipping bowl, and my powder. And this is the part that I was trying to explain to you guys. I went ahead and put on some fake nails on some of my fingers because some of my fingers, excuse me, wasn't the same length. So I was just trying to match it with my natural nails. So I went ahead and put the gel on to my natural nails and then I glued the nails down. And I did this to about 3 fingers. So I just hold down each nail for like about 30 seconds. And then I went ahead and clipped them. And I took off majority of the nail because I just wanted it to match my natural nails. Boom. So now I'm going to start getting my powder ready so I could dip my nails in. So first I'm putting on the gel glue onto my natural nails, making sure I get everywhere except my skin. You want to put the gel everywhere except your skin, because if you put it on your skin and then you dip it in, it's going to stay like that and then it's gonna lift. So you just want to put it on your whole nail only, and then I dip my finger in about 3 times. And then I just tap the excess off, and that's what it should look like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next finger. And I took my time doing this, so if it looks a little bit sped up, it was. But in real time, I was doing this very slowly. I dip it 3 times, and then I shake the excess off. And then I just went ahead and did that for all of my nails. But this is perfect for girls that like to get their nails done, but obviously you can't get them done and you're stuck in quarantine. Do this. And it's something to do. So you can listen to your favorite music while you're doing this. What's your favorite movies, like, and just chill. Or you could smoke and chill. So that's before and after. Then I went ahead and did it again because I was trying to build up some layers. I did about 5 layers on each finger, and it was perfect. It wasn't too thick or too thin. It just depends on your preference, how you want your nail to be, how thick you want it to be, you know, all depends on you. Off the excess powder off. And then to seal my nails, I'm gonna go ahead and put the gel glue again over my almost finished nails. And it should look really shiny. You see how it looks like my nails, but obviously we know that it's not mine completely. That's what you want. I'm gonna go ahead and put this liquid on. I totally forgot what the name of it is. I'll put it on the screen. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my nails also. What this does is seal everything and make the nail be able to be filed, because we're not done. So it just fuse everything together. Because if you just start filing it, it's going to be very gooey without this stuff, so you need this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do that again just to make sure I got everywhere on my nail. And then I went ahead and filed my nails off camera because I knew it was gonna take a lot of time. And I'm sure most people know how to file nails. You just file it till it looks smooth. Pretty self-explanatory. And that's how the finished nails look. They're very shiny, very natural looking. It kind of gives you that pink blush look, and it's just natural and freaking cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down to my channel, hit that notification bell so you will never miss a video from me ever again. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.